Hey everybody, this is Ryan. If you are looking for a foam mount that doesn't stick to your windshield, doesn't stick to your dashboard in your car, doesn't hook up to your air vents, and you'd prefer that it hangs nice and neat from your actual rear view mirror, this video is for you. This company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give an overview of our new and exclusive, a different way of doing a phone mount in the car? And who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever this being provided to me. Affect this review, I'm just here to keep it real, and really I'm going to show you how this thing works. So once you assemble it, which is pretty easy, it really comes in two pieces. You just kind of screw them all together. It looks like this. And so you have this wire and you have these two brackets right here that hook around your rear view mirror. Pretty simple. You go around the back, you connect it right here, you pull this tight right here, and then you twist this nice and tight. And this doesn't put any pressure on the actual rear view mirror. It's just to kind of hold it in place. You have these two clips. They snap in place like this. The excess wire gets tucked away. You snap it in place, and now you have a very stiff mount. You adjust how high or how low you want this hanging. So once you have the mount affixed nice and tight, it's actually like really sturdy, and it's light enough that it's not going to put any excess weight on your actual rear view mirror. You take your fingers, you squeeze this apart, you put your phone where you want it, you let it go, and now you have it hanging. Now you might be like, well, it's kind of loose. Well, on the back, it has a little screw. You just tighten it up, and now it's nice and tight, and you can manipulate your phone any way you want. You have your buttons that are still exposed, and then if you have a power cord you want hanging from the bottom, you can have that there as well. So with this layout, it's nice and convenient. It's right below your rear view mirror. So if you need to look at your dash for maybe GPS, if you need to look out front, you need to look at your rear view mirror, you don't have to look away from the road to be able to see maybe what might be on here, which might be your navigation. Very, very cool, very simple to install. And then when it comes to installing, you just do the reverse. Hope that answers any questions you might have about this pretty cool, very cool actually, cell phone mount for your rear view mirror. We'll talk to you soon.